Namaskar everyone. So today we will be understanding about the process Jal Neti, which is one of the Shatkarma part in yoga. So we will be understanding that how it needs to be done and what is this process about. So Jal Neti is basically done when you want to cleanse your nostril area and your facial area. So basically it cleanses above your neck area. The process is named as Jal Neti. So for this you need two things. First one, Jal Neti pot, and second is lukewarm saline water, which we have already prepared. So this is normal water in which I have added rock salt. You can add any other salt just to make the water saline. What actually happens is it helps you in two things. First one, it doesn't create any kind of itching or any pain sensation inside your nostril. Second one is if in case you have hard mucus inside your nostril, the salt helps you to melt it down so that the hard mucus will also come out of the nostril area. So for this process, you have to fill the Jal Neti pot with this lukewarm saline water. Suppose if you are feeling that your right nostril is more activated, then you need to fix the edge of this nostril inside the edge of the pot inside your right nostril. Then bend forward and look at the right side. Slightly lift your right hand up and stay in this position. During the whole process, you have to make sure that you are breathing through your mouth so that the nostril area is free for the water travel. So the water will automatically come out from the opposite nostril. You don't need to do anything in that one. You just need to keep your mouth open, bend forward and look at the right side if you're starting from your right side. If you feel that your left nostril is more activated, then you can start with your left one. Once all the water is out from the opposite nostril, and quickly start exhaling forcefully like we do in Kapalbhati. In this one, so that the excess water will come out from your nostril. But this process is really important. Just after the Jal Neti, exhaling fully out, that is one of the very important part in this process, because if even a drop water is inside your nostril, if it remain inside, it can create more cough or sometimes it can create a slight headache as well. So make sure that you're exhaling completely out, and also after this exhalation, you can sit down in Shashank Asana so that the excess water will come out from your nostril. Again, after Shashank Asana, you can practice Kapalbhati to 20 to 30 rounds and then you're free.